Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about how you can sell your pants and jeans for more money and quicker with a really good hack that I like to do myself. I have to have a little disclaimer that this hack does not apply to every single pair of pants, but it does apply to a good chunk of them. So let's get into it. I have found myself come across plenty of pants that are very unassuming. They seem very basic, nothing special to them, but using this hack, I've found that they're actually more valuable than I thought they were and more specific than I thought they were. So if you come across a pair of basic pants and you're not really able to find good comps on it because your search results are pretty generic, the pricing is not going to be accurate to what it is, you could be leaving money on the table. So what is this hack? It's a really simple thing. It's called finding the style code on the pair of pants. Like I said in the disclaimer, this can't be applied to literally every single pair of pants, but it does apply to a good chunk of the pants. I'll show you guys a few examples on how you can find the style code on some pants, and then I'll show you what results come up and how it actually makes it to where I can sell the pair of pants faster and for more money than if I didn't know what the style code was and just listed it as a generic pair. Benefits that come with knowing where to find the style code would be that you're able to find directly what that name of that item is directly from the brand itself. You'll gain access to figure out exactly what that style and fit is so you can accurately describe it in your listing. You'll even learn relevant keywords that describe that item or the brand itself, so it'll make your title stronger and better. And then you'll be able to do a higher quality comp research because you now know exactly what you're looking at, and you'll find other items that are exactly like that and for what they sold for. Plus, your buyer is going to have a better shot at even finding your item. So instead of listing something generic, you're listing it specifically. They're going to have an easier time finding something that they're specifically looking for, so it'll sell faster. I'll go over 3 examples from 3 different pairs of pants and 3 different brands on where to find the style code so you can kind of get a good idea of what a style code even looks like or where it's even located. And then I'll show you what the actual website describes the pair of pants as. And I'll show you before and after example of the pair of pants before the research and after the research. So we'll take it from being very generic, low level, cheaper because we don't have confidence in what we're selling, to a higher quality listing. We know exactly what we have and it's priced accordingly to that item. So let's take a look at a real life example that I found while I was at the thrift store. So I found a really basic pair of Athleta pants. You could say that they're joggers and they feel like linen, and that's about as descriptive as I could be with this. But I'm gonna find the style code and I'm gonna figure out specifically what this is. As I was looking, I noticed that they had started to cut out tags, and over here, they were chopping off all these tags, so I couldn't even confirm if they were linen or not. They feel like it. But lucky, they left the style code tag. And this top line right here, the S, all I'm gonna do is type in Google Athleta and then this digit code right here. So I did that and I found out the exact name for these. These are retreat jogger linen pants. So I have all the information I need from that style code to better list these and give a better price. So win. Before we jump back into the video, I wanted to take time to talk about today's sponsor, which is my first sponsor of a video, and that's me. I just started a membership group. It's $20 a month currently. So the group has allowed me to be able to really coach people in their reselling and in their business lives and be able to answer questions and go into detail about their stores without it just being in the YouTube comments or on Instagram. This is a great opportunity if you're looking for somebody, if you're looking for accountability to reach your goals, if you even need help creating your goals. We have a call where we specifically will be walking through our goals for that week, and we'll follow it up on Fridays to make sure that we're actually doing it, so we'll have accountability there. And then throughout the week, there's really in-depth classroom settings. We do a deep dive into their store to figure out the health of their store, and if it's a store that will be getting them to their goals and how we can better improve it. But enough chit chat about my sponsorship. I will have a link to my group down below if you're interested in checking it out. So anyway, let's get back to the video. All right, so welcome back to my hands. I just like this format a lot better than doing a screen recording of my computer. I'm going to apply this same exact case and scenario of finding a style code to a pair of Peter Millar pants. And as you can see, if we found this in the thrift store, they just look to be a very basic pair of pants. Nothing super descriptive other than 100% polyester. You might think that these are very unassuming and they're just regular polyester pants. However, when you dig in deeper to the style code down here, whenever you are looking at this style code right here and you type it into Google, you'll type in Peter Millar with that style code number, and you'll see the style code EB66 is actually the name of these pair of pants. So this is our pair of pants right here. And as you scroll down, you can see the exact name that Peter Millar, the brand themselves, describe this pair of pants. So I will definitely be using this in my title. People who are specifically looking for this pair of pants on eBay, but for a cheaper price than $160, will be typing in these keywords most likely. The title will give me enough information of what I need to include in my title itself. And as I scroll down into the description and all the details, this is where I can start pulling keywords that will help better describe the item and make a much stronger quality title for my listing. So as I'm looking through here, I can use travel, golf, performance, stretch, twill. Those are some keywords I can use. Maybe even comfort. I know it's a classic fit. Wicking, easy care. So those are all the keywords that I can pull just straight from their listing, just to help make my listing the best it possibly can be, so I can get some more money out of it and it'll sell quicker. If I just listed these pair of pants as a generic Peter Millar chino pant, I may be pricing this at around $25, maybe $30. But knowing that the style code is specifically saying these are the EB66 style, I have listed them for $50 and they sold. Here we have another example. This is a pair of Lululemon women's pair of sweatpants. They look very basic and they don't have the style name or anything written anywhere on their tags. What I've learned is you can go in here, and I'll twist the phone around maybe, and where it has the W, that stands for women's, and if it was a men's pair, it would be an M. So what I would do is I would type in Google Lululemon W6BZXS. That right there is the style code for Lululemon. So I've typed in the code and I'll pick the first result that pops up, and I can confirm that these are the same pair of pants that I have. So I can see right here, this is exactly how they're listed on Lululemon's website. So their customers and buyers will be searching like this, but on eBay, to try to find a better deal than buying them brand new for $118. So right there, I have the style name. I'll add that into my listing. And I also have keywords in here that best describe what it is. So I know that these are straight leg and they're cropped. So I'll make sure I have that in my listing details. And as I scroll down again, you can find more keywords if you have the characters in your title to make a much better, stronger title that is very searchable and very user-friendly. We got high rise, we got cropped, we have soft stream fabric. We have all of these details that we can now put into our own listing to just make the best listing that we possibly can, so we can sell it for more money and quicker. If I had just stuck with, this is just a basic pair of sweatpants from Lululemon, I may not have known that I could actually list these for $69 plus shipping and they would sell almost instantly. If I had just listed it as a generic pair of sweatpants, I probably would have leaned more towards listing them for cheaper, just because I wouldn't have thought they were anything special. And they were just a basic pair of sweatpants, but they are in fact not just a basic pair of sweatpants. They are actually a very cool, specific kind of pants. So there you have it. It's my best way to share with you guys on how to get more money out of the pants that you'll be listing and how to sell them quicker. And I hope it was super beneficial, or at least you got a nugget of information to be able to apply in your listings. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.